This is the Mueller Pro Series 10-in-1 8-blade vegetable chopper. It comes with 8 diverse blades crafted out of premium stainless steel. It chops, dices, slices, and grates large food quantities in mere seconds. It makes food prep so much faster and easier, and cleanup is a breeze. It's made with food-grade, BPA-free materials. They've got 24/7 live customer support. Go check them out.
Snap and Strain by Gizmo. So many advantages to this innovative product. First, it easily clips on like this to a pot, pan, or basically any type and size of cookware, and it only takes up a fraction of the space that a colander requires, which is great if you have limited storage space in your kitchen, and who doesn't? As unwieldy as a colander is, the Snap and Strain is easy and simple to use, even one-handed. It's also dishwasher safe, FDA approved, and BPA free. This is a product that just makes sense. I'm Holly with another Kitchen Gizmo product highlight. Join us next time for another fantastic, innovative kitchen product.